an equivalent ratio word problem. So if we have a problem like this one that says, during a pickleball game, Natasha scored 4 points for every 2 points scored by Sienna. Pick the diagram that models the ratio. So is it this one? So Natasha's here and Sienna's here, or is it this one? Natasha's here and Sienna's here. So then the next part of the question says, if Natasha scored 16 points, how many points did Sienna score? So first let's figure out which is the right model, okay? In this diagram, 4 boxes represent points scored by Natasha and 2 boxes for points scored by Sienna. Now use the model to help you figure out Sienna's score. We know this is the right model because Natasha scores 4 for every 2 that Sienna scores. Okay, so this is the right model. This would be the opposite, right? So this is Natasha scores 2 points for every 4 that Sienna scores, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for Natasha scores 4 points for every 2 points scored by Sienna, which is this model. Okay? Now, how much is each box worth? So we know that there are 4 boxes and Natasha scored 16 points, right? So this whole panel represents 16 points. And there's 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to figure out what each singular box is worth. So we would divide 16 by 4 to find that answer. So that equals 4. So each box represents 4 points scored. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay? So now there are 2 boxes in the diagram for points scored by Sienna, right? We know this is 16, 4, 8, 12, 16, right? So now we just need to figure out how many points Sienna scored. So she scored 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So Sienna scored 8 points when Natasha scored 16. And that's the end of that problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. You could take a look at the description. There's other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help as well. Make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. There's a link in the ebook. It'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.